Hello, my name is Jason Orna, and I'm humbled to have been nominated and apply for the Creative Director Award. Through the course of my career, the student body I have worked with the most are those who struggle with their reading and writing. They also struggle with the ambition to write a well-written essay. Pre-technology age, many of my students struggle with the notion of being thorough with the writing process. Many of my students did not want to brainstorm, organize their thoughts, and collaborate with peers with the writing process. They simply wanted to whip out their essays with very little support and organization or focus. When technology became more prevalent in the classroom, there was a shift where students placed their efforts. When I started using Web 2.0 tools such as EdSurge and real-time board to assist with student brainstorming and organize their thoughts on paper, students were quite engaged in the research writing process, and students were able to gather ample support and were able to map out a well-organized paper. However, my students' efforts to transport their hard work to extended writing form was quite boring for them, and the students became less engaged. One of the requirements for all seniors is to write an EdSurge paper in which the paper takes the student through the inquiry process. My observations were the same. The students were keen on the process, however, less effort went into writing the extended response. It did not make sense to me how the gathering of support and outline seemed so good, yet the poor effort went into the paper itself. Then I tended to wonder whether or not students will be more engaged writing an essay through a different medium. Choosing a different medium was difficult. However, I felt the layout of Storify would allow students to see the funneling down aspect to a logical conclusion, as you see here. I feel the use of Web 2.0 tool, such as Storify, helped teach them the inquiry process and engage them fully from start of the project to the very end. They also were able to see their questions funneled down to a logical conclusion based on their research. The interesting thing about the assignment is that the students didn't realize that they completed a research paper for me because the activity was so engaging and the development occurred as the inquiry process went on rather than just trying to complete a writing assignment all at once. I believe students that completed this activity will turn to Web 2.0 tools such as Storify and EdSurge and real-time board to assist them with writing their papers. I am currently working now with my colleagues on other engaging ways to write this paper. We have currently came up with an idea of the students creating a website style structure that will contain a video of them narrating their interest in the particular topic they decided to explore for their research paper. And also the paper will be broken down into tabs showing each section of the EdSurge paper. As you notice, the paper would be more engaging and also too will contain illustrations and also hyperlinks that will link certain terminology to the scholarly articles they found for their support. I want to thank you so much for this opportunity, and goodbye.